The hot-running test of the catenary system of the Jakarta-Bendong high-speed railway trial section started on Wednesday, marked by the slow departure of the Chinese-made electric multiple units from the Tiegalua station in Bendong.
在我身后的雅万高铁动车组稍后将进行热化试验。目前，高速动车组已经联调联试完毕，接收网的供电设备设施工作状态良好。 G20 峰会期间，雅万高铁试验段展示奠定了基础。
This was the first time that the electric multiple units, which arrived in Indonesia on September the 1st, appeared on the Jakarta-Bendong HSR track. All functions of the traction power supply system were thoroughly tested during the one-day test. With a design speed of 350 km per hour, the Jakarta-Bendong HSR, built by Chinese technology, will cut the journey between Jakarta and Bendong, the capital of Indonesia's West Java province, from over 3 hours to around 40 minutes.